Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Qerfty Podcasting Equipment Kit, an all-in-one bundle designed to get creators up and running quickly. This kit aims to provide everything needed for recording, live streaming, and even gaming, making it compatible with both computers and smartphones. At the heart of the bundle is an audio interface paired with a streaming microphone. The microphone itself is a large diaphragm condenser, which is intended to capture detailed and clear audio, whether it's voice or instruments, to help achieve that professional sound quality right out of the box. The microphone comes equipped with an anti-pop filter to reduce plosives and a shock mount to minimize vibrations. The kit also includes a real-time sound card, which is described as newly redesigned. This sound card features common podcasting functions and offers various tweaks for creative sound manipulation. It allows users to fix or adjust the audio mixer sound and even record favorite audio effects directly into the mixer for easy access during live sessions or recording. This is presented as professional live streaming equipment, suitable for a wide range of uses including podcasting, live streaming on platforms like YouTube and Twitch, studio music recording, and DJing. The bundle is quite comprehensive, including not just the mixer and microphone, but also essential accessories like a microphone tripod, headphones, an XLR cable to connect the mic, audio cables, and a USB Type-C cable. Compatibility is a key feature highlighted for this package. The audio interface and sound card are designed to work seamlessly with most major operating systems. This means users on laptops, PCs running Windows, or devices using Mac OS should find it compatible. Furthermore, it extends its reach to mobile users, being compatible with smartphones, iPhones, and tablets, making it versatile for creators on the go or those using mobile setups. Ease of use is another point emphasized. The kit is designed for superior sound quality with intuitive controls for optimizing vocals and sound effects. The process is described as straightforward. Simply plug in a microphone and sound card, and you can start recording or streaming with professional sound quality. The manufacturer expresses confidence in the product, offering a satisfaction guarantee and support for users who have questions about operation. It's positioned as an ideal solution for podcasters, streamers, and content creators looking to enhance their audio production quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.